Hey, what's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial, and it's going to be a makeup tutorial on this look here. This is kind of my ode to summer. Yes, we are already in fall, but I just wanted to do one last video with something colorful, just to kind of, you know, because I really didn't get a chance to do a lot of summer makeup tutorials, or, you know, even wear like a lot of makeup during this summer. But this has to be like one of my favorite looks. I did try something different. I did like a double wing liner, but I just didn't connect it on the ends. I saw it on Instagram. A lot of people have been doing it. It's so dope. So I was like, let me try it. It's something out of my comfort zone. I kind of stepped out of the box to do it because I normally don't really do a lot of looks like this. But yeah. I'm gonna start getting into the fall videos, but I was like, I just want to do something one more time that's colorful, that's pink, and it has like purple in it because purple is my absolute favorite color. But this has got to be by far my favorite look that I've ever done before. Like, oh my gosh, besides my birthday makeup look, I think this has got to be like a top 2 favorite, but it's definitely up there in the top. And this is probably gonna be like one of my summer looks that I go to next year, like spring summer looks next year, that I kind of go to when I don't really know what I want to do and I'm wearing something that's kind of neutral tone, but I wanted my face to kind of pop, which is the scenario I got going on today. I have on this gray jumpsuit. I got it from Fashion Nova. I just threw a sweater over it because I'm getting ready to head out. I probably don't even need this sweater because it's not that cool outside, but I'm just gonna taking it just in case. I think it looks cute with it, but yeah, so I just really love this look. And of course I paired it with this matte neutral pink. This is the Stilla liquid lipstick in the shade Patina. Y'all, this is my absolute favorite lip color that I purchased it this summer. This spring or summer. Can't remember if it was spring still or if it was already into summer when I purchased this. But y'all, when I got this, like, oh my god, like I fell in love with it. It's like my favorite color. Like, it's like just a mauvey pink, and I'm not really like into pink that much, but this color is just so dope and I love it so much. So I decided to just pair it with, of course, my favorite liquid lipstick, which is by Stilla, and it's in the shade Patina. I also love the Sephora liquid lipsticks as well, but I just absolutely love a liquid lipstick in general. But this has got to be one of my favorite liquid lipsticks that I've used thus far. So I'm gonna start rambling. Most of the products I've used on my face today are kind of like inexpensive. There are some high-end products that I use today, but with this tutorial I try to use a little bit more drugstore brands or a little bit more inexpensive products for you guys on this look, because it's kind of my last summer look. I know I'm late on the last summer look, but I'm definitely going to go ahead and start getting some fall content out for you guys. I may even do a fall fashion haul or a fashion try on, like, you know, some of my favorite pieces to wear during the fall, some of my favorite ways to accessorize. I'm just trying to dibble and dabble and think of a lot of video ideas and a lot of content so that I can get to filming for you guys more. But I'll definitely have a tutorial up really soon, and this video will definitely be up really soon. So if you guys want to see this look and see how I did it, and you want me to start rambling, then just of course just continue to watch. But before you leave my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, give it a thumbs up, a big thumbs up, comment down below. All feedback's welcome. Even if you a hater, just still comment down below. You know, I'm all about positivity, so any criticism, if there are any steps I could have done this better, you know, I'm always welcoming and open to like different suggestions and different feedback to help me be better, because I feel like I'm growing and I'm learning with you guys as well, and I really want this channel to grow and be so prosperous. So I'm definitely going to try to continue to film and just upload a little bit more and do a better job. I always say I'm gonna do a better job, but y'all, I really gotta do better. But of course, if you want to continue to watch, of course, if you want to see how I got this look, then of course just continue to watch. Alright you guys, so let's go ahead and get started. First, I'm priming my skin with the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer, which is my favorite primer of life. I use it in every video. Then I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty foundation. I haven't used this foundation in a while, so I decided to really just go back and just pick it back up. I was like, I'm looking for a matte foundation today, so went in my foundation collection. I was like, you know what, I haven't used Fenty in a while, so let me go on pull Riri out. But I love this foundation so much. It definitely gives you a nice matte finish. The coverage is amazing. I don't know why I haven't used this in a while, because I just picked it up and I forgot how much I loved it. I remember first purchasing this foundation, I was super scared because people were telling me, oh my god, it's like very little coverage, but it's not. It's dope. Alright, next I'm going in with this LA Girl Pro foundation, and I'm not using a concealer today. This is something that I really love to do when I don't really want like a highlighted, like a bright highlighted face, but I want something that, you know, is going to just bring out that under eye a little bit more. So I'm using the LA Girl Pro Coverage HD. This is the Longwear Illuminating Foundation, and I'm using the shade Warm Beige, or GLM647, or Warm Beige is probably easy to remember. And I'm just putting that under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, my forehead, Cupid's bow, and also my chin. So this is just like going to give me a highlighted look, but nothing too bright. I really wasn't going for like a bright popping highlight today, so I decided to use a foundation a little lighter. Alright you guys, next I'm going in with another LA Girl Pro product, and I'm using the LA Girl Pro concealer, and I'm using the shade Beautiful Bronze to contour. I wanted to kind of use some inexpensive products today, just to kind of be, you know, a little bit more versatile. For the most part, I stick to my same products. I'm a creature of habit, I know. And I definitely want to do a video. Oops, wrong brush. Nikki. I definitely want to do a video where I'm using new products that are on the market now, or products that are new to me but old to you guys, just so I can be a little bit more different, you know. Alright, to set it, you already know I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution's Luxury Baking Powder in Banana. If you ladies know any setting powder that is just as great as this one, please comment down below. But I've been loving this one so much. I would love to try a new one. I've tried quite a few, but this one I just seem to love it a little bit more than all of the other ones. I definitely don't want like a translucent powder, because I get a white cast when I use the white powder, but something just, you know, a little in the banana range. Alright, to go in all over my face, I'm taking the NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat powder foundation, and I'm using the shade Chestnut to go all over my face. And you'll also see me do later in the video go in with the shade Warm Beige underneath the areas that I highlighted. But first, I'm gonna just add a little bit extra to that contour, and I'm taking the Black Radiance pressed powder in the shade Cafe, which is another favorite of mine. I love it so much. I love this powder to contour with. I've been using Black Radiance powders to contour with forever, it seems. I haven't really tried a different one, just like I said, creature habit, but I am going to be looking into some new products really soon. And I'm also using the same powder to really just go in and contour my nose and get it nice and snatched. I love a snatched nose. I have a huge honker sitting on my face, so I had to get it as snatched as I can, you know. Alright, you guys, so this is the stuff I was telling you about. This is something I love to do, even on top of my setting powder. I'll take the NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat in Warm Beige, and I'll just put a little bit underneath my eyes in the places that I highlighted, just to give me a little bit more brightness, a teensy bit. Next, I'm going in with the Wet n Wild blush, and I'm using the shade Dare to Soar. And this is one of their limited, oops, I dropped it, y'all. This is one of their limited edition blushes, their Baked Blush Color Icon. And it's in the shade Dare to Soar. And for highlight, I'm taking this Sephora highlight that I haven't picked up in a while. It's one of the Sephora Golden Hour It's a Sephora Golden Hour highlight in the shade Dawn or 02. Alright, you guys, so we're going on to the eyes. I'm taking the NYX Jumbo Pencil in the shade Milk, and I'm just applying it on my lids, and I'm blending it out with the brush and my finger as well. This is going to help my eyeshadows be a little bit more pigmented and to my liking. Alright, you guys, I'm literally only using 2 shadows. The first eyeshadow I'm going to be using is a MAC eyeshadow. It is in the shade Bright Pink, and it's actually like a little powder blush too. You can use it as a shadow and a powder blush, which I thought was super duper cool. So today I'm using it as an eyeshadow, and I definitely probably will be using it as a blush in the future. But I'm just taking that color and I'm applying it right in my crease and on my lid space as well. I'm taking it and I'm just going like windshield wiper motions, just kind of sweeping it back and forth and blending it out so that the color doesn't look too harsh and it looks even across the lid. Next, going in with the Kristen Leanne Urban Decay Kaleidoscope palette. I'm taking that pretty sparkly shimmery fuchsia color, and I'm going to apply that color onto my lid. The name of that color is Spitfire, and I love this color so much because it just gives me purpley pink vibes, and I just love the shimmer in that color. Like, ooh, it's just so pretty. It's like one of my favorite colors in that palette. This palette is literally my favorite palette that I own because I just love the colors inside. So me, so I just love those colors so much. So I'm just gonna take that fluffy brush and just blend out those edges to make sure there are no lines of demarcation. All right, now this is the part I really had to kind of focus on. I sped it up a little bit so you guys can see. So I'm going to do a double wing liner, and I'm just taking that Vivid Brights liner, and this is the NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner in the shade Vivid Violet, and I'm just taking that and I'm going to create a little wing, and then I'm going to also create a line within my crease, and I'm going to bring it down and flare it out and almost connecting it to that wing liner. I'm going to try to get it as close to that little baby wing as I can. So really the point was for me to make a wing liner and then just kind of bring a line down through the crease and connect it as close as I could with the wing liner. So I just kind of fanned it off to let it dry, and I did the other eye the same as well off camera. Next, I'm just going in with this NYX eyeliner in white, and I'm just running it underneath my bottom lash line to kind of make my eyes open up and pop a little more and balance with the pink. Alright, you guys, so next I'm going in with that same pink shadow that I used for the top. It's a mixture of both, and I'm just running it underneath my lower lash line to just kind of balance things out. Then I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm going to just apply that on my lashes and give it a couple of coats just so that my lashes, you know, are really just popping, you know. I'm not using false lashes today because I really didn't want to take away from the drama of the liner, and I wanted to do simple glam today. And then my eyes have been like really irritated, so I didn't want to do anything further to irritate them more. So just going in on the top lashes and bottom lashes with that mascara to really just kind of just make them pop, you know. Alright, you guys, for the inner corner, I'm taking Fenty Beauty's Trophy Wife just to kind of give me a little pop in inner corner highlight, you know. And last but not least, for lips, I'm going in, which you already know, my favorite liquid lipstick. This is the Stilla liquid lipstick in the shade Patina, and this is just my absolute favorite lipstick. Oh, my most favorite lipstick that I own. I just love this pink mauve, everything about this lip. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.